Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Darren. Welcome to the Online Income Lab. Okay, today I want to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners and how to start without a website or any experience. Okay, and this is how you're going to do it, so stick with me. Okay, so with affiliate marketing, most beginners overcomplicate this. Okay, they spend weeks building websites, stressing about all the tech and burning out before they even make a single sale. I see it all the time and I've been there myself. Let me show you the simple way that I wish I'd started with. So no website, no tech headaches, just the essentials you need to actually get results. My name is Darren. Okay, I'm a husband, dad, former brick and mortar business owner turned digital marketer. Okay, when I first tried affiliate marketing, I wasted months and months doing all the wrong things because I'd listened to the wrong people. So learn from my mistakes. We all make mistakes, but you have to learn from these mistakes, right? We've all fallen for shiny objects. Don't do it. Block out the noise. You need the power of one. I talk about that all the time on my lives and on my TikToks and everything. So today I'm going to walk you through, though, the simple path, okay? The simple path that actually works for beginners. So this is the foundation. This is step one. And the first thing you need is clarity, okay, on what affiliate marketing actually is. It's not about building a massive website or learning complicated coding or anything like that. It's simply about promoting a product you believe in. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission for that sale. That's it. Keep it simple. All right, keep it simple. So step two is choosing the right offer, of course. It has to be the right offer. You don't want to be promoting and aligning with something that's of low quality, right? So you need the right offer. So don't get lost in random products. So important and so easy to fall into that trap. Look for something digital, right? So you don't have to deal with any of the shipping because that obviously brings its own costs, which you don't want when you're getting started. Something of high quality, something you'd recommend to a friend. Okay. And ideally something with recurring commissions. So you get paid month after month from only making that one initial sale. That's the kind of recurring commissions you want to be getting and building upon that. This is how you build consistent income instead of just chasing one-off wins. Okay. Step three, the funnel. Instead of a website, most people think you need a full website. You don't. Okay. We're in 2025. You don't need a full website, certainly for something like this when you're getting started. What you do need is a simple funnel, a landing page that captures emails and an email sequence that builds trust and shares your story. Okay. And then the offer page. This is faster, simpler, and works way better than a complicated site that no one visits and no one's going to buy from because there's information overload, right? Think about it. Step four is simply driving traffic. Okay. Now, once your funnel is all set, it's all about traffic. You don't need paid ads right away. Okay. You don't need to be spending money you haven't got yet. Don't focus on paid ads. Let's focus on organic right now. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, even Threads, Instagram, they give you free reach. Okay. If you share your story and provide value, that's how you're going to grow. So focus on showing up consistently and speaking directly to beginners or whoever your audience is, and share with them who you are and where you've been, okay? Where you used to be and where you are now. That's how you start attracting the right audience to be your authentic self. So let's just recap very quickly. I know this is a short video, but I just wanted to keep this simple because it needs to be simple. It doesn't need to be overcomplicated, this, okay? So pick the right offer, build a simple funnel, not a website, and drive traffic consistently. Keep it that simple. Don't overcomplicate this because the truth is, I almost quit when I tried to do everything the hard way. The faster you start simple, the faster you'll see results. So if you want me to walk you through these exact steps for free, I've put together a free training that I'll leave a link below in description. You can go and grab that straight away. You can get started and watch that. I think it's like a 15-minute video. Okay. Have a look at that. Let me know if you have any questions. So grab that link below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate that support. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.